Question 5 is obviously some simultaneous equation. There are some sentence, every sentence may be tell you some relation, that means give you one equation. And then there are in total 2 unknowns, so they should give you 2 equations to solve it. Many of you know that how many teachers and students visit the museum. That means we are asking the number of teachers and the number of students. You should use some unknown to represent that. Let's say we let there are X teachers and Y students. How many teachers? There are X teachers. How many students? There are Y students. Don't forget it. And then they tell us 2 things. The first relation is the entrance fee. The total entrance fee is this amount. So total fee, this is given, is equal to 1910. And the second sentence, 37 tickets. That means there are in total 37 students and teachers together. So that means the total number of teachers and students is equal to 37. So about the total fee, each teacher need to pay $7. 2 teachers need to pay 2 times $70. So X teachers, that means the fee for teachers is 7 times X, because we have X teachers, plus the fee for student. Each student need to pay $50. 2 students need to pay 50 times 2. So Y students, we need to pay 50 times Y. 1910. So we successfully translate the sentence in language and then express it in a mathematical form to form an equation. It facilitates our systematic calculation later on. So this one is easier to change. Total number of teachers and students, we have X teachers and then we have Y students. Of course, we just add them together. It's 37. They just try to tell us X plus Y is equal to 37. We already finished the most difficult part, and then the rest is just based on your practice. 70x plus 50y equal to 1910. X plus Y equal to 37. If you use calculator directly to get the answer, you lost 1 method mark, and you need to show you try to eliminate some unknown. To get this one, Y 50y and y are not exactly the same, so I can't simply remove it by subtraction or addition. That means I want 50y here, I don't want just y. In order to have 50y, I can multiply 50. But of course, I can't just do it on left hand side, I need to do it on both hand side. So that means I just make some changes in the second equation. 70x plus 50y equal to 1910. Nothing changed at all in the first equation, and then the second equation, x times 50, 50x, y times 50, 50y, and that's our target. So 37 times 50, we get 1850. Why I have to do so is because you find out that 50y and 50y are exactly the same. So it's just some simple question. 50y and 50y, what is the operation to make it become 0, to make it disappear? You won't add them together, right? 50y minus 50y will give us 0. That's the result that what I want to have. So left hand side minus left hand side is equal to right hand side minus right hand side. Some of you may not notice what's the reason. I'm going to use some stupid example to explain it again. Okay, 3 is equal to 3. Everyone know that. At the same time, 1 is equal to 1. No one will raise objection, right? If we consider this minus this, 3 minus 1 should also equal to this minus this, 3 minus 1, right? So that's why 2 is still equal to 2. That's why we can do something like this is 70x plus 50y and then minus 50x minus plus 50y is equal to this minus this, 1910 minus 1850. You'll find that 50y and 50y will become 0. If you find that it's not 0, maybe you make some mistake or you use the wrong method. So 70x minus 50x, 20x is left. And then this is 60. Divide both sides by 3. That's why x is equal to 3. Sorry, divide both sides by 20. So x is equal to 3. Since we already know that x plus y is equal to 37, so if we know one unknown, it's really easy to find out another unknown. Oops. So it's 37 minus 3, y is equal to 34. Then we solve the questions. Of course, most of you know how to solve it, but what I want to emphasize in this video is the rationale why you can do so. And then you should insist in memorizing the reason why you can do so, but not just memorizing the procedure. Otherwise, maybe after half a year, then you will forget it again and then have some silly calculation later on.